You know. What letter is that?
Right here.
What is that?
O.
Well, that's actually not the O. That's the Q, but close.
What is that?
What's that? Yeah. What sound does it make? Good job. Okay. What other letters you know? What letters? What is that? What is it? It's a C. Good job. What's another letter?
What? Happy?
That's a puppy. It is a puppy.
Happy?
Yes.
Yeah.
What letter is that?
Okay.
What letter do you know?
What?
Where's the E? Do you see the E?
No.
No?
I see E.
There we go. Good job. That is the E. What other letters do you know?
What?
Do you know? Oh, you see a W? You see a W at the bottom? Look.
I see.
What? No, down here. Look, it's down here. Where's the W? It's down there somewhere. Do you see a W?
I see that.
Where's you don't see a W? Oh, you don't see it?
See?
What's that?
Yeah.
It's a car. It's a van.
What?
Oh, so we don't.
Hiya.
Yellow. Good job. Yes. Good job.
Hiya.
What are you about to do?
Hiya.
A crayon? It is a crayon.
What's that?
Okay. Well, you say bye-bye to the camera?
Baba Hammer.
Do you know what an A is? Do you see the A, Cameron?
No.
Okay. Love you.
I got you.